crazy, lost my daydream, breaking molds that people gave me lately, baby. I've been feeling ways that make me feel like shady. I've been faded on the daily, I can feel my heart is changing. Coming back from darkness, my whole brain is rearranging. And I feel like the world is the dirt beneath my feet. And I feel in this world we can do anything.
Lately I've been spinning, I don't wanna wake up. Things been changing fast, I told the future wait up.
Like the world is the dirt beneath my feet. And I feel in this world we can do anything. Focus on the positive and negatives I'll shroud. Make my bank omega, let go heretic, fuck out. If you fuck with me, please free it from your fucking mouth. Infinity in my daydreams, it's time to let them out. Anxiety, a card to path to push against the grain. Notoriety, it painted me with joy and pain. Travesties won't bother me, in my core I stay the same. No one knows which way to go, so I'm paving my own way. My own way. My own way. My own way.